Are you someone who relies on just one income right now? Well, you are more at risk than you think. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start building a second stream of income while still working full time so you can protect your income. So, let's get started. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jane. I talk about career reinvention and income security for professionals like yourself who wants to move strategically and create more options for themselves. So, if that's where you're headed, make sure you subscribe because that's where this channel, what it's all about. So let's get into it. This video, I'm going to walk you through some practical steps you can follow to start building your first income stream outside your 9 to 5 or your full-time work or whatever it is that you do, even if you're busy or you're tired after work or if you don't know where to start. Now, the biggest mistake people make when they're starting at this stage is overcomplicating everything. When people hear about having a passive income or extra income or additional income, whatever it is that you want to refer as, most people start looking outside. What's trending, what's making money, but they don't start with their reality. And that's why they fail and it gets all complicated. Let's be clear, before you think about any income stream, you need to understand these 3 things about yourself. How much time you actually have outside your 9 to 5, outside your full-time work, outside taking care of your children, outside your studies. Number 2, you need to know what your current lifestyle looks like at the moment. Understand it fully. Are you a nursing mother? Are you a single parent who doesn't have any support? Are you studying? So you need to look at all this, take this into consideration. And the third thing is, what are you realistically, what can you realistically commit to? Can you commit 5 to 9? Can you commit night time? Can you commit just a weekend? So those are the things that you need to look at before you even start thinking about what is it can I do in terms of generating or starting another income stream, because consistency is what you need to do this. Being able, for instance, if you're looking into maybe starting and in content creation, are you able to post 3 times a week? Can you commit to that? I post once a week when it comes to this channel, and I have other channels as well that I post, twice a week, and other social media. How much time do you have to do all these things? So understanding that would help you to know exactly what, income stream that you can commit to. Yeah. And I want you to understand that if you're working full time, maybe you have a family, maybe you have other responsibilities, you're a carer, and maybe you're studying at the same time, you cannot build income the same way someone with unlimited time does. So instead of asking what makes the most money, the question you need to be asking is, what fits into my life right now? What can I do that is sustainable? Something that I can commit to, because if it doesn't fit your life, you won't stay consistent. The second mistake that people make is trying to do everything at once, and that is why they get very overwhelmed and they fail at it, because they're just not focusing on one thing. And I've been there trying to do so many things, and you hear things like, you hear about affiliate marketing, you've heard drop shipping, you hear digital product, content creation, and you will feel like you need to do all of it. You don't need to do everything at once. You can pick just one path and focus on it. And then you can add a bit more if you feel comfortable. You've got grips of what you're doing in one particular area, and people can know you for that. So it's just not wise doing so many things at the same time. If you have the capacity and if you have the ability, go for it. But the truth is, you don't need 5 income streams. You just need one that works. If it's content creation that you want to work on, focus on content creation and niche it down. Or you can even start, because when I started this channel, I was talking about different things. But then guess what happened? As time goes, I start to improve and I start to find what I'm actually interested in. Because if not, you're just going to burn out. And if I don't have, interest in the particular area or what I'm talking about, it's just going to go stale. And I'm like, you know what, this is not working. I've seen a lot of people start this and they will say, you know what, I don't have anything else to talk about because, they're not interested in that particular area. Another thing I would say is pick one based on your skill. What are you skilled at doing? Are you very good with, teaching people how to do makeup? Are you very good with teaching people how to, create patterns? If you're into fashion, you're sharing tips about how to cook, very good with cooking, you're very good with lifestyle, whatever it is that you want to, just pick one niche area. And then I will talk about time. Do you have the evenings? Do you have the weekends? Or what time do you have to do this that you can invest in? It doesn't have to be, it could be like starting with like 1 hour a day where you record your video and the next day you can edit it and then you can publish it once a week. And also your interest matters, because if you're not interested in whatever you're doing, you're going to burn out and, you lose interest and you say, that particular area didn't work. So I remember when I started, I did try to do everything. I was really overwhelmed. But then when I realized that I need to just focus on what makes sense for me at that stage, just one thing that I was focusing. And I started to build and I started adding other streams of income. Because one thing you have to remember is that clarity comes from focus. So when I focused, I remember I started with YouTube. I focused on YouTube, my content creation, and now I do AI content as well. I do my eBay. I've developed a system that works for me. I do eBay drop shipping, I do affiliate marketing. So all these things you can add, but guess what? You need to get grip of the first thing that you want to work on. Bear in mind, you're topping this on top of caring. If you're a parent, on top of you having a full-time work, you're running your home. So all these things you have to think of your lifestyle. Would this fit? Am I going to get overwhelmed? So it's not about doing too much. All right. The other thing that I want to mention, the other point is for you to start small. Now, this is where a lot of people get stuck. They think they need money to start. You don't necessarily need money to start with this content creation. I've just got my phone, my stand, my mic, and that's where I started. These things, some of the gadgets that I got right now, they weren't very expensive. If you go to Amazon, eBay, you can start, to record your video and you refine as you go. There are loads of free tools out there that can help you, like CapCut. They've got free version. On YouTube, you don't have to pay to upload. You can create different. You can create content and post on different social media platforms. So you don't need to pay for them. You can just start small. And if you are starting off, you want to learn drop shipping, like myself, eBay. When I started, I didn't pay for the tools. eBay, you don't pay. And I've got other platform that can help you automate it as well, which I didn't pay. So, and as you scale, you can start making payment, but then there are loads of free things out there. You don't have to start that with money. So you don't need thousands of pounds. You just need a perfect setup and a system that works for you. You'd be very surprised. I do so many things, but I've developed a system that works. So it's about you creating something and then, gradually start topping up on other things that you're interested in. And start with what you know. Focus on, your first small win. Don't think about going to go and spend so much, really. Before you can make a start. That is what's stopping people thinking, I need to, make this amount, and it puts them off. Your first goal is not to make £10,000. Your first goal is to make £50 or £100. Yes, you might think, oh, how? But it builds, it grows, it compounding. So that's That is something about it. Your view, watch you post a video that people are watching it, people are commenting, you're communicating, or you start drop shipping, you start making maybe your first £50. It actually encourages you, but you've not paid anything. You've put, you listed something for maybe 10, 10 pounds. It's listed for £10 and you've made like £4 gain. It's something. So don't think that you have to have so much, right? Because that's when it becomes real for you. And once you see it's possible, your mindset will shift completely. So get with it. Start small. I know I've mentioned this a lot. Build consistency. This is part no one really talks about, consistency. Most people don't fail because it's hard. They fail because they stop. That is it. I know when I started YouTube, to post a video once a week was a struggle. Very, very difficult for me to record, edit, and post on different social platform. Is so difficult. Social media platform is so difficult. Now, this is just part of what I do. I have my other YouTube channels, right? I am into drop shipping. I do so many things, but like I said, understanding your lifestyle, understanding what you're capable of, your time, is going to help you along the way. Sometimes you feel like, oh my God, why am I even doing this? But guess what? With time, you will find what works, and you work around your own time, your lifestyle, right? So the practical thing for you to do, if, like I said, if it's just one hour a day that you put into that thing that you're doing. If you're someone who's into drop shipping, you can list your product for 1 hour, and I do that. And I automate stuff. Automation has really helped me. I can take one day and do my scripting for my videos. I can take one day and do a lot of editing for my videos. So you can put in 1 hour, and you can say 1 hour 3 to 4 times a week, right? And make sure that it's realistic, set realistic expectation for yourself so that you don't get burnt out. Because I remember when I started my second channel and I was posting weekly, and I realized that I just can't keep up. It's too much on me. So I had to now kind of, adjust it to fortnightly. That way it gives me a breathing space so that I'm not like at it every week, because posting on two channels is really, really, really challenging. But I've been able to kind of manage that now. So you don't feel like, doing, because sometimes you're tired, sometimes you don't feel like doing anything, and it comes with it. Because our life changes, things that we do, we have other things outside, what people see. But you don't, sometimes as well, you just need to motivate yourself as well. And but I always preach about structure. I preach about system. If you can automate anything, just automate it. It helps, because consistency is what turns effort into exactly what you want to realize, isn't it? The other point that I have is take action. This is the key. Stop postponing, stop procrastinating. At some point, you have to stop learning and start doing. A lot of people do take on different courses and, join different seminars, join several groups, and which, to be honest, I have done. But you need to take action. I have, in the last 2-3 years, I've done so many courses, right? But yes, it's very, very useful right now. I cannot speak on them because I've learned so much that I can share with you guys, and that's really helped me along this journey. But if I don't start to record or actually work on those things, just really no point of me keep learning and not doing, because by doing, you learn, you unlearn, you find what works and you find what doesn't work for you, right? This is where a lot of people get stuck, right? And watching videos, taking notes, you're planning, but you're not actually putting in the effort. Nothing will change until you act. Post that your first content. Is rusty. I remember the first day I posted my video, my children were cheering for me. It was really exciting on that day. I said to myself, myself a timeline, And I almost didn't post that video, but I'm so happy I did. you know Offer your first advice. Come on here, share your journey. I've been telling you, I've been carrying you guys along from when I transitioned from a nurse to being a BA, and along the line, we've spoken about so many things about my journey, the challenges of being a nurse, and also challenges of transitioning. And now we're talking about how we can improve our income, not relying on just one stream of income. I'm bringing this to this channel now. So it's not just about transformation. It's not stagnant. That you can rebrand yourself. Transformation is something, when we talk about, it's transitional, right? It's about, evolving. It's about learning and unlearning. It's about rebranding yourself. Yeah. Because at first I thought it was about, transitioning to, tech, and you get paid so much money, but then the tax man is there waiting for you. And also you're just working and building someone else's company when you can actually start doing something for yourself, right? So you have to start doing something, right? Share your journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent, right? And anything is possible. If I can do it, you can. So if you are serious about building your income and you want more guidance, I've put a link in the description, and I'll link one up there as well. So you can join our Telegram community, and also that's where obviously we talk about, go deeper once in a while to share some of the thoughts that I have around income streams or whatever it is that I discuss in this channel. And I also have a step-by-step ebook that breaks down digital income streams. You can check it out on my beacon. And also, if you're someone that's thinking, okay, I have all these skills, but I don't know where to start, I do offer a personalized support. You can book a one-to-one session with me, so we can get started. If this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment if you do have any questions, because I'm going to be walking you through step by step how you can get into, starting your additional income stream. And I want you to remember that your job can pay you now, but your skill can give you more options. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.